The Infinity Tools Universal Router baseplates for compact routers increase the versatility these tools have to offer. CNC machined from 3/8 inch thick clear acrylic, these baseplates increase stability without reducing visibility, making it easy to achieve accurate results. Compact or trim routers have become a mainstay in many woodworking shops because they're light, powerful, ergonomic, and feature-packed. Their baseplates, however, are thin and flimsy and lack many of the features we need for routing. That's why we created the Infinity Compact Router baseplates. Available in two different designs, both accept Porter cable style guide bushings so that you can use your compact router with jigs, patterns, and templates. And they are pre-drilled to fit almost every compact or trim router on the market, whether being used with a fixed or plunge base. The 6-inch round baseplate is designed to increase the tiny footprint of your compact router, reducing the chance of tipping while edge routing or while creating dados, grooves, or pockets for inlays. The D-handle baseplate has a unique teardrop shape that includes an integrated fence. With the fence removed, this baseplate provides an extremely stable platform and provides a second handle position securely over the workpiece, eliminating almost every chance of tipping while flush trimming veneers or adding a decorative edge detail like a chamfer or roundover. With the fence attached, you can create dados and grooves up to 5.5 inches from the edge of your workpiece. The unique two-sided design can be used to follow a straight edge or reversed to follow curved edges, creating endless design possibilities. Whether you need a baseplate for your compact or full-size router, Infinity Tools has you covered with a complete line of universal baseplates.